Okay, so here's the plate after it's been primered twice with the Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal paint and rust inhibitor, and then the Rust-Oleum smoke gray gloss enamel paint or spray paint there, 2 coats of that. I am gonna have to cut these down because the tower won't fold over with these that high. Or actually, you know what? My bad, it will, because they sit inside of it. So I guess I don't have to cut those down. I may. We'll see. So I think this is how I'm going to do it. Of course, the tower's not ready. It hasn't been painted, and this still needs to cure for a long time. But I think I'll go ahead and, I don't know if you can see that or not, I have a nut and a washer under there on all 4 corners, and I have the nut all the way down to the concrete, and the concrete pad was poured pretty dang level, as you can see. So there's that way, and if I put it over here on that side, and if I put it the other direction here, and if we put it up here, it all looks pretty level. So I think I'll go ahead and leave that little bit of an air gap under there. That's just so water doesn't, sit on the metal and cause any future corrosion issues. But I think that's how that'll be done. And then the tower, like I said, I still have to paint that and everything, and I'm still a month away from putting it up. But I'm happy with this. I think this turned out pretty well here. What do you guys think?